In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Uber Cash when placing an order on the Uber Eats app. If you've been looking to streamline your payments using Uber Cash, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in and take it step by step. First, let's start by opening the Uber Eats app on your mobile device. Once open, you can begin the process of creating your order. Browse through your favorite restaurants, select the dishes you're craving, and then add them to your cart. Make sure you've got everything you want before moving to the next step. Now that your selections are ready, let's proceed to checkout. You will do this by tapping on View Cart or alternatively Checkout if that option is already visible. This takes you to a summary view of your order and the payment section. As you scroll down, you'll notice an area showing your current payment method, typically just above the Place Order button. Tap on your current payment method to see a list of options available. Here you'll see Uber Cash as an option on the payment options screen. Select Uber Cash to use it for this transaction. It's crucial to confirm that Uber Cash is now selected as your payment method before you finalize the order. You'll be able to see this choice reflected back on the main order screen. Once you've ensured that Uber Cash is selected, take a moment to review your entire order one more time. Double-check the list of items, quantities, and prices to avoid any surprises. If everything looks great, go ahead and tap Place Order to complete your purchase. You might be wondering, what if I don't have enough Uber Cash to cover my order fully? No worries, Uber has thought of that as well. If your Uber Cash balance doesn't cover the full amount of your order, you can still proceed by using another payment option in combination. Uber Cash will automatically be applied first, and any remaining balance can be paid using a different method like a credit card or PayPal. Now, if you need to add more funds to your Uber Cash balance, it's a simple process too. You can do this directly in the Uber app by choosing the Uber Cash option and then following the prompts to add money to your balance. Additionally, you can also redeem gift cards within the app, which will contribute to your Uber Cash balance. Keep an eye out for promotional credits that might be available through partner rewards programs or other promotions, as these can enhance your balance as well. And there you have it. Using Uber Cash for your Uber Eats orders is a seamless experience when you follow these steps. Happy ordering and enjoy your meal.